Yo, so what's good, y'all? Good morning. Hope everybody having a blessed day. Ooh, yeah, allergies, man. But yeah, good morning. Hope everyone having a blessed day. Today's July 2nd, so y'all ain't know today my birthday. I turned 23. I just want to thank God for waking me up this morning. You know, for letting me see 23. Cause you know he ain't had to let me see 23, but he let me see 23 and continue to grow. I really appreciate him for letting me continue to be out here and make a change, make a difference. So, but yeah, I'm 23, bro. But shoot, thank you everybody who tell me happy birthday. Appreciate all y'all who be checking out my stuff. I thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Y'all the real ones. Y'all the homies. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? Gang, 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 gang. But yeah, so also I apologize on the content that I've been really slacking lately. I need to step my game up. Hey, I'm 23 now. I'm looking at this as a new year, so you know technically it is a new year because I'm 23 years old. So, but yeah, so this is a new year, a new start. You know, I just gotta pick up my slack, bro. Like I'm really slacking. I know I am, so I just gotta pick it up. You know, hey, but don't worry, bro. Hey, we about to get on and popping now, but so this video that the other half, excuse me. God dang it. Bruh. Dang. Oh, but yeah. So the other half of my video, what? I done had my exhaust done for maybe like a freaking think of. Yeah, I done had my exhaust exhaust on my Mustang for like a week now. So yeah, but yeah, so got my exhaust done. Had a couple issues with it when getting it. One thing I ran into, freaking, bruh, bolts breaking off. You know, normal stuff. Bolts breaking off. Had to get another gasket. Thought I was gonna have to do a runaround for the gasket because I thought my job didn't have one, but turns out that it was a part number that I didn't see in the system. He gave me part number, found it, got that on log. Had to get some new O2 sensors because whoever put them in, I guess they tried to impact it or something. But basically, they just cross-threaded the hell out of it. So, yeah, that was one issue. It was just issues after issues. Freaking, I found out where the leak was coming from. It was actually coming from the gasket that I had to replace. So that's where the leak was coming from. But yeah, now it's just A1. But yeah, so got that on. I love it. I personally, I love it. So yeah, but so I'm gonna let y'all check that out. And you know, hey. All right, good morning. So I'm back. It's a new day. It was late last night, so I ain't really try to record nothing. But so yeah, I'm really just about to go rinse it off. I ain't trying to wash it, so I'm just gonna try to rinse it off. I'm gonna try to go to the car wash by my house, but I don't know, my thing sits kind of low now, and I know it's low over there, so I really don't want to take that risk, but oh well, shit. Cricket. But yeah, so about to do a little startup right now. But so hey, it sounds way better than what it did before. Yeah. So yeah, but yeah, I drove it some more last night. Oh, bruh, so smooth than how it was running before I had it with my Flowmaster exhaust. Oh my gosh, bro, I ain't know my Flowmaster exhaust was that bad. It turns out that the reason why my car was running like booty is because my exhaust pipes were bigger than what they were supposed to be. I think he said like it was like 3 inches, wide, something. I know he's like 3 inches wide or some shit. So yeah, That's what was really holding my power back, them pipes. But now it's real smooth, real smooth. I hate where I live because people act like they don't want to let you in the road, and like that crap be blowing the crap out of me. Bruh, I'ma just go to the one by freaking O'Reilly's. Be no point to go over there because freaking what it is. Sometimes that debit card work and I don't got no cash, and I ain't about to put my debit card in there either, so that's bad. Now I can't even freaking see. Don't scrape. All right, here comes the part I hate. Going over railroad tracks. I didn't scrape. Woo! But yeah, hey, I love it. I love it. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts, bro. I love it. Sounds freaking amazing, man. I'm so glad I got these pipes on and stuff now. Like, you just don't understand how happy I am. I gotta get used to saying low, bro. I can't see. Oh, bro, I thought I drove all the way here with no wallet. I was about to be like, not the first. Not the first. Bro, I be so scared when I be going to these things because I be thinking the thing gonna shut off on my car. Like the gate, I be thinking the gate gonna shut off on my car, like fall on my car, bro. I be so scared. I be like, oh God, oh God, oh God, please don't fall, please don't do it, please don't do it. It hit just a little bit. It sits really hella low. Alright, I'm about to give y'all a little view of what the car look like and what it sounds like and stuff. Give me 1 second. Hold up real quick. Whew. Alright, so I'm done washing my car off. I just sprayed it off. Get all that dust and crap off. Go where I be parking at. Where I be parking at, you know, I parked under the trees. So, you know, all that stuff started to get on your car and stuff like that. So I just went ahead and sprayed it down. Shoot. Yeah. Ain't really nothing else going on today, so I mean, shoot, I'ma just talk, I guess. So yeah. I hope this ain't a cop, because what I'm about to do is so illegal. I need to get my struts on here. I need to get my struts and I need to get a tune-up. I already got my struts. I went with ST. It's called ST struts. So I went with them. And for my clothes, I went with a Seal Super Cools, and I went with NGK Iridium IX Spark Plugs. So I'm gonna be getting those done. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do it, but I know I'm gonna be doing it soon though. Cause I'm trying to hurry up and get my car running since it was smooth. I'm trying to, you know, pick up the pace while I got everything already. But yeah, after I get that stuff done, I'm gonna try and paint my hood myself. I gotta get the spray paint and shit for that. So once I got that, I'm gonna go ahead and paint my hood myself. I was gonna have somebody do it, but I'm just at the point like, why have somebody do it when you can do it yourself? You know, like I already need another paint job anyway, so why not just do it myself? So yeah, I'm gonna do that myself. I'm not sure when because it's supposed to be raining all this week, so I don't know. Then after I get that done, bro, I'm just chilling. Like, you know, I ain't gonna really do nothing else crazy because my future plans is to get my bottom end built. So once I get my bottom end built, okay, no spray. But yeah, future plans are I do want to get my bottom end built so I can be able to go past the 400. I think the safe marker on this block is like 400 or 500, but I know as soon as I get everything done, I am going to be making some pretty good power. I really want to make about what I have in my bottom build. I at least want to make like 3 something, about like 3. If I can get like 380 or 360 out of this, I'll be perfectly fine. That's like, you know, stock, bottom end, all that goodness gracious. Like, that'll be perfectly fine for me. But yeah, so I want to do that. But yeah, just do that. Just have a nice little street car, fun. I ain't really trying to go crazy yet, but I do want to make at least, my future goals is to make 600 with this car. I do want to make 600 with this car. If I can make about 600 to 500, I'll be good. I'll be good with that. I'll be able to whoop up on mugs. Because, I mean, my car already light, so, yeah, have about 500 to 600 under the hood. Hey, I'll be moving. But yeah, so that's like my future goals, what I want to do with this car. So, but yeah, nothing too crazy. I ain't want to do nothing too crazy to it because I do want another Mustang. The Mustang that I really do want, I want a 90. I want like a 90. The SN. I want an SN95 body style. That's the body style I want. It don't gotta be the 302. It can be the 4.6. No, I don't got corona. But freaking what I was about to say. Oh yeah, I want to get the SN95 body style. It could be the 302 motor in it or the 2-valve motor. It don't matter, because whichever one it is, I'm still gonna make that mud fast and get it the way I want. It's just something I want because my dad got when he got a 95. He got a 95 Mustang GT drop top with the 302 in it. Yeah, with the 302 in it. The last year of the 302s. So he got that. I tried to get that off him, but you know he ain't letting that go. Yo, so ooh, yeah. So hope y'all enjoyed my video today. I'll have something else dropping very soon. Like I said, I'm about to get back on this. Gotta take this serious. You know, I gotta continue, you know, keep dropping. Because, you know, it ain't gonna get thrown in my lap. So, I gotta keep going. But, yeah, man. So, hope everybody continue to stay sandy up. Y'all continue to stay safe. God bless y'all. Keep grinding, keep going hard. You know what I'm saying? Everything gonna be alright. But, y'all take it easy. Love y'all. Peace.